Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about what is N8N and N8N basics also. So, discover what the N8N is, and I will also tell you the key benefits for saving time and boosting the productivity. Automation can be done with N8N. You can connect the apps effortlessly and save hours by automating repetitive tasks. N8N is a powerful open source automation tool that connects apps and services which normally don't integrate. Automates boring repetitive tasks, saving hours every week, and it is free to use for personal or business projects with no cost, and runs on your own computer or server for full control over your automation. But even though it runs in your own system, it is better to self-host the N8N. Choose N8N to automate without limits, and it leverages a no-code open source platform to build flexible workflows connecting hundreds of apps effortlessly. It connects more than around 3000 apps. And the most important thing is no coding is needed. Build workflows via drag and drop interface, open source and free. Use it anywhere, self-host or cloud host. Super flexible, connect hundreds of apps out of the box. Build anything from simple automation to complex process automations. Automate daily email attachment with N8N. Save attachments to Google Drive and get Slack notifications automatically. Receive a new email with an attachment every day. Automatically save the attachment to a Google Drive using N8N. And you can also get notified on Slack. Discuss who benefits from N8N. So you can unlock the potential for diverse users and on teams, business owners looking to save time, freelancers, and agency automating client tasks, teams needing to connect different apps, anyone wanting to learn automation skills regardless of experience level. Harness N8N to work smarter and unlock new opportunity. It saves time, coding hassles, and open doors to new jobs or business ventures by mastering N8N today. Learn N8N to work smarter and save time, open opportunities for new jobs and business ventures, and avoid headaches from coding or paying for expensive softwares. Unlock the powerful automation with N8N. Automate anything, anytime. It can connect to over 350 apps and services to automate endless tasks. Easy to learn, drag and drop model will be there, and open source, scale as you grow. Suitable for solo creators or large businesses handling from few to thousands of workflows. Unlock the full potential of N8N workforce, activate and community and support, and it has an active community and support, no code and low code, and it is visual editor, and it is super flexible and customizable. Save times and reduces errors, automations, handles repetitive work, and minimizes mistakes. So these are all the basics and benefits of N8N. Thank you.